been seeing a cabbage boil all over my feed. It's a way to cook a whole head of cabbage that seems to be breaking the internet. So today we're going to give it a try and see if it's as good as it looks, if it's as good as people say. And I thought it would be perfect for New Year's. So by the way, Happy New Year, everyone. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is just to remove the outer leaves of the cabbage. All right, and then we're going to remove the core. Just want to cut this off. And then I'm just going to go in and cut out this core. So after you remove the core, place it on a large piece of aluminum foil that's on a baking tray, and then we're going to add all of our seasonings. Now this is where you can be creative. You can use your favorite seasonings, your favorite blends. I'm just going to show you what I'll be using today, but the first thing is olive oil. You want to drizzle olive oil and coat the entire cabbage with the olive oil. So I'm just going to rub this all over my cabbage. All right, your seasoning is what makes this so good, and you can be generous. I'm using some garlic powder, some onion powder, here is some smoked paprika. I'm also going to use some regular paprika. I have some of this kicked up chicken seasoning. You can use Cajun seasoning, whatever you want. This just has a little like red pepper flakes, so it's a little bit spiced. I'm going to add some of that. All right, and I'm also going to use some Old Bay seasoning. And then one of the most important things to add is butter. And I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter right to the center of my cabbage. All right, then I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to add a little bit of water right to the center. This will just help it steam a little bit. That was a couple tablespoons. All right, then into a 385 degree oven for 2 hours. I just took the cabbage out of the oven, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to open this up. All right, we'll take these juices and just pour it over top. Well, I have to say that it looks really tasty, but it's the moment of truth. I'm going to dig in here and give this a taste. It's definitely tender. Oh yeah. Now I cooked it in the oven for 2.5 hours. Just want to make sure I don't forget to say that. Wow. Yeah, I'm on board with this. I don't really think you could go wrong with butter and the seasonings and this cabbage. This is great for New Year's Day. I would highly recommend. Give this cabbage boil a try. Well, thank you all so much for watching. God bless, Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the next one.